This is room 215 at the Hampton Inn Houston Hobby Airport. It's a pretty big room, 2 queen, standard. As you walk in, to your left will be the bathroom. No tub, it is a stand-up shower, at least for me in this room. You have your 0 amenities on the wall. Shower head. And your drain, toilet, extra paper, lotion and hand soap on the wall, as well as your towels. There's some face soap, mirror soap, tissues. And as we walk in, the laminate does turn to carpet, so boo on that, but some of you won't mind, some of you will. This is 2 queen and pretty big space right here. As you come into the room, you have 2 lights. Of course, they turn on right here. Underneath, we have 2 outlets, 2 USBs. You can scan here for their digital guest service directory. Of course, it's a Hampton, so you're not getting room service, but you know. Over on this side, we have a nice little table, like a TV tray. This is nice, that you can have by the bed. There is an outlet down there. And like a lot of other hotels that are older, you have this unit, but you control it on the wall, and I'll show you that in a minute. So we have a desk with a lamp, outlet, 2 outlets here, as well as 2 USBs. So y'all are covered for charging. That's good. Nice comfy chair with rollers, drawers. I don't know that you're really going to unpack here. You're probably just staying here before you get on a flight or after you get on a flight. But if for some reason you're staying here longer, you do have some drawers. Microwave. Dorm fridge. That is not cold at all. TV, ice bucket. More storage. This is a connecting room, so if you had a bigger party, you could ask for connecting rooms. Hangers right here. This goes into the bathroom. It is your barn door, but it also opens the closet. Okay, so this is a 2 queen standard room, Hampton Inn, Houston Hobby Airport in Houston, Texas.